baking. Okay, it's baking. It's not organized, but I just wanted to bake again. Pizza. I used to make a lot of pizzas from scratch, but I wanted to get from pizzas from like other restaurants, like a hack. I got this one is, I'm trying to look where is the one here. For I'm looking for where is the Great Alaska Pizza Company pizza for that. Hold on. I'm gonna skip back. Okay, just preheat the oven. Nope, I'm gonna make the dough first. I usually make it overnight. So, how to make instruction, roll out pizza dough. We're going to first make pizza dough. This is from the pepperoni pizza of Great Alaskan Company. Ingredients to make pepperoni pizza dough first. So in one packet, at least 2 1/4 instant dry teaspoon of it, and then she wants me to place the dough a while. First, I gotta like use the water. I'm looking 3/4 cups of warm water. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna put it on. Is the yeast? I think it just needs warm water of like 2 teaspoons. So this is a lot. This is 2 1/2 teaspoons, I think. Hold on, it's alive. Okay. Pepperoni ingredients. Okay. 2 1/4 teaspoon of pizza yeast. So we're gonna do that. This is instant dry. 1. Now is coffee ultra. Okay. 2. I think that's enough. It's gonna rise a lot. I don't want it to rise that much. I didn't also read if it's like for how many servings of your day. We're gonna figure out that all together. Besides, we're making 2 flavors of pizza. So, and a packet. Then water is 3/4 cup. I'll back. Added some sugar so the yeast can eat something before it foams. So I'm gonna just put it there and let it like dissolve for like 10 minutes, I guess, till it's foamy. This is in warm water. Just checking if it's warm. So I have to wait for that. And then in the meantime, I have to check like how many scoops of dough, flour I need for the pizza. Okay, 1 packet, 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose, and then for the dough, and then 1 teaspoon sugar, and then mix and boil, combine warm water, yeast, and let it sit for 5 minutes. I will do that. Add olive oil, salt, and flour gradually into the mixer until the dough is formed. So once that is, so I need the dough. I can open it. It's very tight. Okay. What? Maybe like. Flour. Flour is 2 1/4 cup. How do I know this is 1 cup? Figured how to put it down. I'm supposed to do it on super low and do it gradually. That's 1 cup. I need a spatula. Stop this because it's bothering me. Okay, one more time. Just one. Yeah? It's moving. I must go downstairs. Turn it off. That's probably what I want. But I can just move that out of the way with my fingers. Oh, what was that about? That was weird. Oh, suction's weird. That was weird. Okay. I'm going to grease my Tupperwares. Yung gamit ko siya, reusable. Hugasan ko lang yung mga pinag-shower nila. Ginagamit ko lang. Recycle. Reuse. Okay. I-grease lang natin siya. Ihati ko siya sa dalawa. Kasi gusto ko ng dalawang pizza. Flavor. Kailangan pati yung takip niya. Tapos overnight mo to hintayin mag-alsa. Kasi wala kayong parang bread na making na pwedeng aalsa na lang siya mag-isa. Iba rin yung pag-ferment ng dough pagka one day. Yung amoy na hinahanap ko parang sourdough. Ganun. So, think of ganun din. Oh, okay. Okay. Alright. Parang naghati na siya for me. Okay. Wait lang. I'll be back. So I work on taking out the dough from yung parang handle, yung dial kung nag-form ng dough. Ito mo na gawin ko. kailangan siyang imasak konti ulit. Over. Kasi baka over siya. So, yung gamit ko, I think this is all purpose. It's not the bread flour. Pero okay lang. Kasi, usually, yung fat ng baby, usually, ano siya. So, ano ka pa rin? Memorize ko pa rin yung how, ano na. Kasi pag wala kang mixer, hindi mo magagawa ng, talagang mag-work ka talaga. Mga baker siya. Ganda ng kamay and arms. Anyway, yan. Ito. Asa. Yan. Mas malaki yung ito. Okay lang. Whatever. Amoy yeast na siya. So, nag-active na siya. So, bago ko siya ilagay sa ref, and then balik ko, ilagay ko sa ref. Iganyan mo na siya. At ng baby. Excited ako. Kasi ito naman yung way ni, ano na to. Yung way ni Alaskan. The Alaskan company. Yung style na na. Find out how to do this. I need my sister. I will just let this be riced. And then, after nun, nalagay ko siya sa ref. Tapos bukas kakainin ito yung pizza. You know. To show you that it super rised twice. So, I'm just going to be rolling again. And I can smell the yeast. Activate. Smells like beer. So I'm gonna use these tomorrow. Make good pieces tomorrow. I'm gonna document it. I'm gonna read how they did their pepperoni, but I'm gonna add pineapple. And I'm gonna add, and the other one is anchovy. Wag spicy food. Sabi naman ni Zara, di naman daw extreme.
So, may gamot na rin pa gano'n?
I think so.
Sabi ko,
Ang liit naman ito, no?
parang iba. Dapat parang ibang sounds.
Oo, wala siyang phlegma.
Kaya
Ano yung
acid pa rin, no?
acid? Acid lang siya. Tingnan natin kung mas-stretch ko pa ito ng todo. Hindi na. Kasi maliit lang i-touch.
To the fire, to the bowl.
To the fire. Ayun. Hanggang dito lang ang kaya. Kasi natakot ako. Hindi ko sure kung maganda ang gagawin kong dough.
Pero ako ni Gordon, be. Daw pa. Tapos siya. Ano nga yung garlic powder?
Garlic powder, basil na, or oregano ya. Either of that. Doon. Kailangan ng nanambing. Salt and pepper. And the chili oil. Thank you so much. Yeah. And I need... Ay, hindi na kasi. Meron na. Okay na yung tarag. Ihalo ko lang yun doon. Mamaya. Kaya pabukas ko yung pineapple kasi gamitin ko yung juice.
Wala ko rin ganun now. It's not here.
Yan na lang yung tarragon. Basta, mayroon bang bake parsley ah? Ay, huwag na. Doon na lang. Paano na lang dyan? Huwag na. Can I have the fork, please? I will fork daw this.
For designers.
For later. Yeah. Para daw mabilis.
For lock.
Para daw mabilis daw mag-alsa and cook at the same time. Nakita ko sa yung fork yun na natin.
Ay, hindi kita lang hindi parang gawa ng dough. Dough natin. Oo nga, gawa ko ng dough. Paano ano?
Dali lang siya. Basta may mixer. Okay. Let's try making the dough. Medyo weird ang aking aya, no?
Parang summer.
Pero
ganyan sila sa TikTok at ever. Yung ganyang story nila.
We'll just need this one.
I'm sorry, what is true?
Hindi yata to yung bread flour. Sabi niya kasi bread. Rolling. Init na po kayo ng oil para mag-frito na tayo ng wings. You can frito na. Next one. Hindi mo kailangan nga. Prito ka lang. Prito mo lang tapos set aside. Tapos prito natin ulit. May gagawin ako. Ay, wala pala ito. Ayun na, ito naghihintay ko. Masunog na, no? Okay, flour pa. Hold on. It's gonna break. The aftermath of everything. This one, there's something with the dough. So, this is gonna be the pepperoni one. This is gonna be the anchovy one. So, it's okay. She's still pretty. Okay. Kahit anong sauce pwede nyo i-apply. Tapos, secret ingredient. Bala kayo mag-figure out kung yung nalagay nyo. Hindi ko sabihin. Nagawa pa pala tayong sabaw. For mother lang. So, yung tira nito, pwede ko ilagay dyan. Ha? Oo. Konti lang. Not too spicy. Kikita nila. Parang nakikita nila yung boobs ko. Yarn. Gayon. Yan. Muna is the sana ang boobs. Hindi ka pwede dito mamaya. Muna yung cheese. Saka nilagay. Dito. Sa puso ko. Yan daw yung cheese. Yung daw ang sikreto. Ay, dapat pinahiram ko rin yung daming alulod. Kasi dapat yan. Lahat ng edge. Takot ako. Ayaw ko edge. So, feeling ko makakaabot ko sa inyo. Feeling ko lang. Dapat wala dinamihan ko yung the more cheese, the happy like ni Snowy. At anong cheese yan? Kay Eden yan. Basta mag-melt. Pwede. Secret yung cheese. So, hindi ba sabihin? Bahala kayo. Yan. Anchovy. So, medyo maalat to. So, haluin ko pa siya ng alulod. Oo, yung, alam mo na. Yeah. You can copy, it's okay. Discover na lang. Or they buy from me. Diba? Yeah, they buy from us.
Yeah, of course.
Then you will find out the secret
You're
ingredient.
already expert.
If you buy it. Tapos daming garlic.
Ang lakadong restaurant for pizza.
Oo. Daming garlic. And yung hands ang secret ingredient. Hands. Oops.
So, tinama pa nga tao, be. Pwede ko.
Pwede na masawa daw.
Pwede na.
Oh no. Pagalitin tayo ni Mother Earth, Motherland.
Chef, ang kaharap niyo.
Mhm.
Chef.
Kahit anong gulay, pwede din. Sa gulay is life. Huwag nagtipid sa ingredient. Unless, bayan mo ko. Hindi ka rin ititipid sa ingredient. Basta bayaran nyo kami.
Yeah, yung tagahiwa dyan.
Yung tagahiwa, alsa ng staff naman. Oh, yung aso din namin, pakainin nyo. Yan. Let's see that. Parang ayaw pa ng chicken mo nito. Pinakasan pa din yung fire.
So early.
Oo nga pala, bawal tayong maging mabilis.
Kanya.
Bawal fast.
Slowly lang. Slowly.
Bawal fast and furious. Ang bango ng chicken. Bawal pa tayo magluto. Kasi pag naluto siya, fast. Wala na. Pero nakuha kayo ng dalawang chicken yun Tapos gagawa akong sauce para matry nyo. Tapos kuha kayo ng dalawang chicken. Okay na yun. Hindi naman nagbibilang. Ito yun. Perfect. Mamaya. Kailangan warm. Pero later lang. Tsaka yung hot sauce ubusin ko. Done!
Gago ko na pala yung mga ano na yan.
Opo.
Powder na yan.
Ay, hindi ko nalagay yung
Sabi.
Okay lang, may garlic. Ilalagay ko na lang siya sa sauce later. Okay lang.
Kaya may ako din eh.
I need it. Yes, 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 yes. Nalimutan ko. Kapag pala nilagay ko na, okay lang. Hindi ko sabihin ko na yun. Kasi masarap pa rin. Kasi sis, no, happy yan. Kahit ano kinakain. Basta taga-kain lang po ako. Try na to. Pwede na to sa soup. Hindi kasi kami mahilig sa soup pag may pizza na. Pizza lang. Thank you. I can make again. I'll make another dough. Siguro pag sa Friday. Shrimp naman tayo at saka pepperoni. Diba? And then, I'll make another kind of sides. We can make fish fingers. Ay, nag-fish fillet na pala tayo. Hindi naman yan nakain, hindi niya na-enjoy. So, second time. One more time. One more time the fish. Oo, one more time the fish. This time she will eat kasi she's super hungry now. Is the pepperoni. Ha? Apa. The next one naman. Tapos you can turn on the fire.
No?
Later. Tinignan ko na agad yung relo. Uy, later. Because the mother wants siguro the chicken talaga next batch kasi double fry naman para mag-warm. Then I make the saucing. Yes, kahit walang resto, maganda ang kitchen. Excuse me, malinis ang kitchen namin, no? You want to see. Very expensive the food because the ingredients and the ambience is very freezer po ito, yeah. Tapos yung siguro next time, gamitin ko yung prosciutto ko nung luma doon sa Friday. Sure, at saka yung prosciutto naman. O, diba meron ng pizza Camillettes? Wala kayo doon. Saan lalagay yung pineapple dito? I love pineapple on everything.
Yung daw Hawaiian.
Sarap kaya ang Hawaiian namin. Wala siyang halong chemical.
Get it pure from the farm.
Mm-mm. Fresh from the farm.
From the farm.
Farm is Snowy. Snowy may farm yan. Kaya sabihin ko ano to, basta masarap siya. Pangdagdag ng umami. Secret to, secret ingredient. Tanggal ng lansa ng ano.
Mura ka lang yan. Hindi ka naman sisisi.
Yeah. If you buy from me, it's only for 100.
Ang ganda better eh.
Kasi ano nga, ng ingredients namin ha.
Hindi ba 100 na nag-play that one?
100 per person. Per pizza.
Diba per person ba?
Per pizza
Instead of
pala.
them, 1,000 that one.
Joke lang. Service namin kasi, no? Kaya per 100 yan. Labor yan.
Kasi very
Malinis
high-
ang aming kitchen.
Very high quality.
Hypoallergenic ka.
High quality.
Like this. Mag-add lang ako ito. Hindi pwede sa yung onion, so. Ginat. Wow. Sige po, initin na ng further. And then we have this. Diba, kami ka na